The FNR believes that the work we do in research assessment has a large impact on research culture. As funders, we have a responsibility to contribute to a healthy research and innovation system through creating incentives and rewards that shift the system towards a more diverse, inclusive and open culture. To achieve this goal, funders such as the FNR need to broaden what is valued in a research ecosystem. We must work to minimize bias throughout the evaluation process and leverage funding to incentivize a comprehensive definition of excellence. In addition, we should be experimenting with evolutions to current processes, as well as developing new ideas to foster this change, while gathering data and feedback to ensure that the changes push research culture in a positive direction. At FNR, we have developed a narrative CV template based on the Royal Society's Résumé for Researchers. This template is now required in the applications for all of our funding programs, with the goal to provide context for evaluation criteria while broadening what is valued in our evaluation process. In addition, a feedback survey has been launched with so far over 180 applicant responses and 150 reviewer responses. This data will be shared openly with other funders and others who are interested, so that we can work together to ensure that the narrative CV is of high added value to the evaluation process. In addition, we aim to recognize and reward aspects of research beyond publications and grants. We have grants specifically targeted to fund initiatives that promote science to society, as well as an annual research award in mentorship and public engagement. To develop the Luxembourg ecosystem further, we have launched the Working Group on Research Culture, which is an initiative for understanding research culture through bottom-up involvement of researchers, sharing best practices between institutions and funders, and developing ideas and initiatives for positive action in the research culture space. Of course, research culture goes beyond national borders. To this end, we are fully committed to the principles of DORA, the Declaration on Research Assessment, as signatory and active participant in the steering committee and funders exchange group. Furthermore, we have proposed research culture as the topic for this year's Science Europe high-level workshop, because we believe that working together is the only way to drive this systemic change and develop a long-term vision for the research culture of the European research area.